What do you imagine when hearing biometric security? A sci-fi movie? Some highly advanced technology from the future? Biometric security system uses information from different physical parts of a person for identification. If your information is in the database, the system will grant you access to the building. Let's quickly check 3 main biometric identification methods. Fingerprint scanning is the most popular identification method by far. You put your finger on the sensor and wait till it recognizes you. Voice recognition is pretty popular as it allows you to keep doing what you do and unlock your phone or door simultaneously. Iris recognition is pretty similar to fingerprint scanning, but while there are different methods to fake people's fingerprints, to fake people's irises is pretty impossible. Facial recognition is less popular because of its complexity. This one needs to recognize the whole face to grant you access. So, is biometric security worth it? Definitely, especially if you're building multi-step protection.